What's up? This is John from John Branch 4 Photography, and I cannot believe that I'm so close to 10K subs. I really appreciate all the support you all have been giving me. It's been super awesome to see all the subs come in, all the questions, and also just talking to some of you all over Instagram, email, and Zoom meetings. Yes, that is right. If you hit me up, I will pretty much get back to you, no hands down. I might take forever, but I'll definitely be there. So hit me up for whatever questions you might have. I also wanted to thank you all for hanging out through wedding season. I know I've been a little bit slow on videos, but there's some really awesome content coming up. I know there's a lot going on. Lightroom just updated for the iPad with some cool features. Photoshop just came out for iOS as well, which is awesome. So we'll definitely be looking at that stuff. And I got my full wedding day video just about done, so keep an eye out for that. So thank you again for hanging out through wedding season. I am super busy. It's way too much. But let's talk about the reason y'all are all here. Because I love you all so much and your support is so awesome, I'm gonna give away one of these. And if you're wondering what it is, it's a brand spanking new HoldFast gear solo strap. Ta-da! So if you're not familiar with HoldFast gear, they make really awesome leather straps. You've probably seen it in a couple of my videos like this one or this other one. Basically anytime I'm shooting or even full wedding day stuff, you see me with the HoldFast gear MoneyMaker. That is the 2-strap one, but I'm giving away the solo strap. So I talked about the solo strap for a brief moment in my HoldFast gear ambassador video, which you can find right up here. But the cool thing about the solo strap is it's great for just a single camera carry around. Basically for me, I'll throw an XT30 on it or the XT3, and if I'm doing a portrait session, I can put a little pouch on the actual strap and have an extra lens with me. So one camera, 2 lenses, it's super awesome. Also, if I'm just hanging out with the family, going to the park or somewhere and I want to take photos, solo strap all day. One of the really cool points about the solo strap is it comes with this extra little belt clip, so you can clip it onto your belt and it'll hold your camera down. So when you're moving around and doing stuff, your camera's not gonna like swing on the side of your body up and down the strap. It's really, really awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving away a solo strap to a lucky person. Once I hit 10K, we'll do a drawing for it. Basically, you can just look down in the description below. I'll have links of how to sign up. Make sure to follow everybody and the thing and just do whatever the thing tells you. It'll give you more chances to win the solo strap. But again, I just wanted to thank you all for hanging out on the channel so much. I really do hope I'm helping you all out with photography stuff, creative entrepreneur stuff, just anything technology. I really love to help. Yet again, don't forget to ask me questions below. Tell me why you'd love the solo strap, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I will catch you all next time. All right, peace.